Casey here, and today we're doing more drywalling. Specifically, we're going to get her out a window where our cut effectively needs to make a big C shape so that we can have a full piece on the side and upper and a lower. So let's flip around and I'll show you how I've laid it out here and how we're going to get a nice clean cut. So we're laid out here, marked up, and to get that, basically I've cut it to length, set it up against there, pulled it back a little bit, and I'd marked here and then up here so that I've got my heights and measured it, came over, marked again and again, straight edge, draw it, measure side to side, how far I need to get over here, mark them, trace it. And then we're all laid out exactly for our cut, and we want to effectively saw through the top and the bottom there, and then we're going to score it and snap it on the side. So let's show you what that looks like. We're going to score it now, right down that line. And give her a careful little break. So now, with it scored, I'm just gonna come right along the back there and trim that paper. And this is gonna allow us to just make a nice clean break coming forward with it. Perfect, so let's slide her into place and we'll see how we did. Well, that doesn't look too bad at all. Along the bottom here, we got a nice clean cut, matches up good. Going along the side, pretty good there too. The top, hey, we're hanging over a tiny bit, but you know what, we can trim that later if we need to. But wait a second, this side's not done. And that's the second half, is I'm gonna show you can do this in place too. So once again, we are laid out here. We just throw our straight edge on, measure for the top and bottom. Well, just trace really. Get those straight lines in there. Measure from the back side with your tape measure. Take the same measurement, put it out here. And then same thing, we're gonna take and saw through here and up there, and then we're gonna score it. And then we're gonna wiggle it back and forth. So let me show you that. So the initial thing, of course, you gotta give it that little snap. And you see there, we don't have a lot of room to work with, but now we actually do have some space in here, and what I will do is just push it back and work my knife blade in there to take a little bit more out, and then we're just gonna back and forth with it till we can cut some of that paper, and then it'll pop right out. So a couple rounds of that and bingo, she comes right out. Nice clean line over here, maybe a little extra to trim there. Got a little bit of vacuuming to do there, but overall, that's our window and it looks pretty good. So there we go. That's how to do some clean little cuts around your window when you're doing a drywall project with just basic little hand tools. Of course, you could go out and get yourself a nice oscillating multi-tool. Cordless is a bonus. I use mine all the time. I just wanted to show you that you don't need to have a lot to do a lot. And hopefully that inspires you to get out and work on your own projects and that you found something of value here today. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.